sponge. Where is that sponge? We gonna do full finish today. Full finish. Both them want full finish. People are being mad. People are come with all sort of craziness. Where they want full finish. Watch that, $6 for sponge, yo. $6 for the sponge. Crazy. Hell no, I'm not buy this for $6. Morning, guys. Yeah, alright, so this morning, we got a lot to do today. It's gonna be a great day. I'm excited about today. I've been holding back on some information for you guys. So this morning I have a meeting with Circle K. Let me turn this thing on. The meeting with Circle K today is pretty much for a space I'm leasing. Alright, so I'm letting the cat out of the bag. This space is gonna be a restaurant space. Now, for all who know me or who don't know me, I was in the restaurant space for about 9 years maybe. From 2014, so whatever that math is. I just got out of that space finally, 2022, alright? Ever since that 2 years ago, I've been thinking of getting back in that space, but it's just a lot of work, so I was on the fence about doing it. I wasn't sure if I wanted to go back into that space because it's just a lot of work. It's dedication. It's every day. You have to be on your toes every day. No, I like it. I think that's my passion. Out of everything and all the businesses I've done and everything that I've done, I think this space is a space that I like. Or get up and look forward. When you get up 8-9 years looking forward to go to that business or work towards that thing, it becomes you. It's something that you I would say you fall in love with. It becomes your passion. Or maybe it was your passion and you just didn't know until you started doing it, right? So this opportunity came up when I came off the road, a couple weeks ago, or maybe a couple months, 2 months ago, or a month ago. And I saw this place. It's got great location. I've been looking for other places on and off. We just can't find any that was already built out and the space is there available. They're became hard, real hard to find restaurant spaces. They're mostly new builds or, you know what I'm saying, with no prior restaurant there. You'll find a lot of those spaces, but spaces that was a restaurant, they're almost non-existent. So this morning I have that meeting with Circle K. I've been having meeting with them in the past couple of weeks. I didn't say anything about it because I was waiting on this day when I'm actually sure that's what I want to do before I let you guys in on it. So this morning is gonna be a little bit of life-changing morning. We're gonna sign some documents and acquire that space, and today the clock starts to tick. So from today it's gonna be everything about working on that place, and I'm gonna take you guys along on the journey of building it, permits, this, that, whatever I do, I'll let you guys know what I'm doing. It ain't no how-to video, but this is life every day for me, so I'm gonna let you know what I do every day, pretty much, or a little snippet of every day. The videos are kind of long, but I'm not editing anything. I'm just talking and telling you what I do throughout the day. As I said, there's people who's gonna click on it, they're gonna click off. There's some people who might be interested. Some people do this thing for clickbait. Some people, you know what I'm saying? But I'm just giving you what I do throughout the day. If I'm not doing it, really doing it in real life, I ain't gonna post that. You know what I'm saying? What you see me do is what I get up and actually go do every day. That's what I'm posting. I ain't going out there and trying to create no content. Like, you know how they would say create content creator? I think that's what they mean. Content creators mean you create content by go doing, I don't know. I don't know what the terms are, but I see people say they're content creators. Content creators go make content, like purchase stuff to make that content or do this just to make that content. In my outlook on that, I would probably look at it like that. Now you have vloggers and bloggers who write posts and stuff, and vloggers who go out there and vlog, walk the streets, do this, do that. I would consider myself a vlogger, not a content creator, if you get what I'm saying, when you look at it. Because I'm just going out and vlogging my life every day, hence life every day. So, enough for the talking. I got my hot water right there already. We're gonna head out, have this meeting. It's now 7:30. I'm gonna have this meeting at 9, maybe 9:30. We're gonna discuss a few things, lock in that lease, get the keys, get more information, and then the clock starts now. It's gonna be a 5-month build out on this one. It's gonna be a full build out. There's nothing in that space. It's a brand new gas station, brand new space on the side of the gas station, not inside the gas station. They got their own convenience store inside the gas station. They have 3 spaces on the outside of the gas station. Now that I let the cat out the bag, I'm gonna pretty much take you guys there maybe one of these days and show you the space, show you what I have to do. I'm gonna vlog the whole entire thing. So hopefully you guys tune in and follow along with it. I'm just gonna put different parts, episodes maybe. I'm gonna put, part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4, like restaurant bill, and just do all that part for the next 5 months. I'm still gonna be servicing, doing stuff at salon, doing little room maintenance and stuff, but this build is gonna be the main one that I'm gonna be posting. Sorry about that. I was checking my hands, if my hands was on the mic. So, as I said, it's a big undertaking. I'm exciting. I might not sound exciting, but the reason I'm not exciting anymore, or not exciting at the moment, is because I've been working on this for a couple weeks, maybe a month prior to me to today. Back and forth with the county. You probably heard me in the last video saying I'm going to get information. It's just a lot of information, back and forth with contractors before we even sign the lease. Because you got to check to see if this space, if we could even do what we want to do in this space with the county. So I had several meetings with county, health department, all these different municipalities just to see if it'll work. So I am excited. Everything on my part's been approved so far. All the different contractors, we got some pricing here and there. We still need some more pricing along the way. Still see if we could shop around and get better pricing. But at least we have a ballpark figure of what we're working with. So let's get the day started. It's already 7:30. I gotta leave here about a little bit after 8:30 latest to get down there. The traffic is real bad. So we're gonna head out, get that done. I still have to come back to the salon to after the meeting. We're gonna meet up with a possible tenant. She wants a space, so we're gonna meet up with her, see if she wants that space, give her a tour, stuff like that. I have the room. There's a room to be painted today. I think I'm gonna get started on that in the second half of the day, or maybe tonight. What I was gonna say, I have something to remember. Yesterday I was supposed to go by a friend of mine's shop to take a look at something for them. I might squeeze that in sometime today and get that done. So it's a lot to be done today, but the highlight of the day is getting this lease signed, getting those keys, get that project started. It's gonna be a journey. So you guys pray for me, and just pray for me. I know you can't help me, but you could probably just help me through the content. There's always comments. You could leave well wishes, or you know what I'm saying. But I'm putting it out there. We're getting a space. I'm getting back into the restaurant space, and the reason why I'm saying like this, I'm excited, but at the same time, it's a lot of work. So all who's about to sign up to do this, make sure you're mentally sound, like you're good, because restaurant or even other business, but a restaurant business ain't no joke. It's a lot. It's a lot to paperwork wise and all that stuff, and inspections, all of that. So it's gonna be a lot. Plus you have to worry about your menu and what you're gonna cook and your staff, stuff like that. So let's get to it. We're gonna get working. Yeah, let me drink some hot water and get going. All right, so let's go move this car out. Oh, it's raining. It's raining today. Damn. It's raining. Alright, I'm gonna cut this. So I moved the car out. I don't know if you could see it, but just trying to zoom. Yeah, it's out there. I moved it out to the street. Yeah, we're pretty much damn, I'm trying to. Okay, there we go. Yeah, it's raining, so I didn't want to take this camera. As I said, that's the only downfall with this camera. It's not waterproof. I just got it yesterday. I don't want to mess it up. Pretty much. GoPro you could take anywhere. That's the only disadvantage with this. You won't take it in the rain. I have another GoPro that's waterproof. We could use that one for the rainy stuff. So I walk with that one as well. But yeah, put the car out. I'm gonna get ready now and head out. At least for a year or two, you know. If there is one, we could just negotiate second year. You know what I'm saying?
I'm fine.
If there's one, yeah.
Yeah. We can verbally
if there is
agree
one,
on that.
yeah.
If there is to be one, we can do it at year 2.
Yeah.
I'm so far.
Because we know in this business there is going to be increase. There's no way there's not any increase.
Property taxes,
So,
yeah.
To be reasonable.
All of that stuff, but we kind of just want to. I think also it's not listed in there because we want to see how much that property value is going to go up after everybody is moved in and operating. So we'll revisit that in year 2.
We'll just not do too much, that way it won't increase.
It'll never be, I will say, it will not be more than 2.5%.
That's fine.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We try to stay low for that. Okay. Anything else? Rent increase? Cam?
No, I guess in a few months we'll figure out what the cam's going to be. That was our only and main concern, was the figures. Those figures, I'm going to give me a copy of those figures, the sanitation stuff, the estimated numbers, right? But that was our only concern. Just based on leases in the past, we want to get everything on paper. You know what I'm saying? To cover everyone.
That's an ideal world, but that doesn't happen in commercial retail.
I know.
Yeah. And so that's the thing. With it being a new space, it's hard to
I know. It's going to be hard. That's why I say in a few months we could assess that. All right.
But I am, let's see, you guys will be fresh and operating if you start by November. So your yearly conciliation.
Well, that just that part of it.
Every single one of them.
That's what I'm saying. Everybody, I've never seen.
Every single one of them. And they're like, oh, well, we had our own insurance for this and this. And then I have literally, that's my month of December. With accounting, I don't know if they will remove all of your liability for our building insurance, But what I will say, it'll only be 11% of that for the whole. But
yeah.
what may
So I
be
mean, our
missing-
coverage is gonna be full coverage because then it's a kitchen, so in case of any
Yep.
unforeseen issues.
Yep, you guys have to have all of that. But building property. Let me actually go grab that from the county now. So I'm gonna look at building insurance. I wanna look at current CAM. I think that's it. All right, give me just a second. We're looking between like $100 and $150 a month. So we can do that. I also want to check on power, water, gas, and trash for power meters, so you're able to set up your own power. Your own. There is no trash account currently. I don't know what the dealer is doing himself, so you are able to set up your own waste management account if you would like, or we can reopen that account and then just bill you guys with rent. But don't know how much. The account is closed, so I can't give you an estimated amount for that. So what would you prefer?
Well, let's put some thought into that. Like, let's see. Remember the reason why when I was here the other day, we were saying when you have your separate sanitation accounts in a setting like that, then you got everybody be using this, doing that, it becomes a fight.
Yeah. That's why I just wanted to, because there's 2 dumpsters.
There's only 2 space. Yes.
Regardless of what the actual amount.
Here's the power. There's 4.
Yeah. Thank
Just
you.
in case we-
You guys are in Suite 300. So there's a previous Jackson EMC account that we had, and we just closed it. You're able to just, with your lease, you'll be able to just reopen under this account number. So I'll keep that a previous balance or anything like that, because no one's in there. But yeah, for the trash, there's 2 dumpsters.
2 spaces. There's one
2
dumpster
spaces.
there now.
Yeah, 2
one
spaces.
empty space.
So you guys, I would prefer for you to share with the other restaurant, and then for the smoke shop and the gas station to.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
So regardless, if we were to reopen that account, because their space is bigger, I would have them do 75% of the bill, and then you guys do the other 25. Can we agree on that?
That's
Yeah.
Okay.
as long as they agree.
75, 25
Yeah.
split.
It told us what 2,000 something.
Yeah,
I'm not
it's
sure.
like
It's bigger.
6.
It's like double the size of what we had.
Yeah, it's under 3,000. I know that. So I will give them the bigger split
We're okay with
than you
that.
guys. Okay. So trash can do that, and then we'll just bill you 25%. With rent. What did I say? Power. You'll have your own separate account. That's Jackson EMC. Water. They just made me mad with water and gas. Because for gas there are 2 meters. No, there's only 1 meter for gas. Right. So we're gonna have to split that between all 4 of you guys. And then for water, there are 2 meters. So once again, that's gonna have to be split like gas. I cussed out this contractor so bad.
That's what I'm saying. And why did they build it like that? Where
It doesn't make sense. It does not make sense at all. I'm having canopy issues and sign issues and all that stuff that I've been figuring out for the last couple months. I really feel like he just threw up a building and he did not think about. I don't think he hired an architect. To be honest, because
they had to. They had to with the county. We're to the eye, but when you take a tape measure and measure it, this side of the room is 35. That's 32, like 3 feet, like from me to where you are.
Yeah,
or a little bit more difference. So when I was looking at the back of the building, I'm saying this building it's not a rectangle. It goes like this.
The way, it's when they built it's because of that hill they also built it
definitely
on. Because even our pumps are, of course, they're cemented into the ground, but they're on like slopes. So like the pumps aren't flat at all. And I'm like, he just wanted to put a building on a hill. And he just made everything angled. It
Yeah.
leveled out, but
Yeah, we could make
makes no
it.
sense.
It could work. We could make it
But
work.
it could,
Those little, yeah.
yes, for sure. Because
Yeah.
the cattle corner one, I'm like, why is this
Mhm.
2,000 something square
Yeah,
feet? And
yeah.
then you plug the little your sweat space in there, and then we did another double one with all
Right,
these.
right, right.
Why did we do this?
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
I don't think they thought it out, but we're here now.
Yeah.
So we're gonna
We'll-
figure
we'll-
it out.
We'll make it. Work.
Water. I would like to as well, because the smoke shop will only have the smoke shop and the gas station only has like restrooms.
Mhm.
So you guys, I'm gonna put you guys on a meter,
Mhm.
and then you guys can just split it 50-50, because y'all are washing dishes and doing all that stuff like
Mhm.
that separate. So I want
Mhm.
you.
So
two
the gas
restaurants to
station
share
on
as
that
much-
side
yes.
and then this side.
I don't want it to get mixed in. So we'll do 50-50 for water, but that goes the same way with the trash. We had previous water accounts.
Mhm.
So you can reopen this account, and then basically the bills would still come to us, and then we could bill you on rent, or you can go after your own.
Mhm.
But then you would that
Yeah, how would you
creates a
split it?
extra
Yeah,
layer
how would
of
you split?
communication,
Yeah,
because
yeah.
then you guys will have to give us your bills.
Mm-hmm. All right, guys. So meeting at Circle K went well. Pretty much it's a done deal. Signed the lease, got the keys. Maybe later today or tomorrow. Tomorrow I'll probably go up there and show you guys what's going on the space. It's gonna be a full build out, as I said before. But the lease is signed. We got the place, made some additional negotiations. Pretty much we are doing a restaurant. So follow along for that journey. I'm gonna vlog as much as possible, try and get every little detail in, from when I'm going to the architects, build out, design, stuff like that. We're gonna try and get everything in the vlog. It might be not detail, it's not a how-to, but I'm just gonna vlog me doing it. It's not a how-to. I'm not teaching no one how to do it. I ain't try to. It's just my life, what I do in a day. This is what I did today. I went out on faith, signed a lease, and we're gonna get this place built. I'm not used to this camera, if I should hold it up or hold it down. I tend to hold the camera down like this a lot. However, just got done with that meeting, signed up everything. So now I'm heading to the salon, check on the salon, make sure the salon is good. And then I'm gonna go over to that friend of mine's shop to look at some for them. And then after that, I should be coming back to the salon to figure out the painting with one of those rooms. They wanted that faux finish. Let's call it right this time. Faux finish, not fox finish, but faux finish. They want to get that done. I have no idea how to do that. I've been watching some videos. It don't look too complicated, but we're gonna try it out. So let's get it. Alright people, so we're heading to the salon now. Stop at the house for a quick tea break. We have a possible tenant. Yeah, we got a possible tenant lease coming up, so that person is coming to take a tour at the facility. So I'm heading over there to meet up with them real quick. The painting and stuff, I'm not going to paint. I'm not going to paint. Yeah, I'm not going to paint till later on tonight or later on today. I'm gonna go by the shop first, check out some stuff down there, and then come back later on in the evening and then do the painting in that room. So today is a crazy day. We're limited on time, but we're trying to make it work, I don't think I'll be back up this side until maybe around 4 or 5 o'clock before I make it up here, depending on the traffic to come back. Yeah, so we'll see how that works out. Hopefully I can go down there, get in, get out, and come back early. I'd love to get back before the traffic so I could start painting that room. The tenant had took today off so that I could do the painting. So I'm probably just gonna paint, put the first coat on there, let it dry, and then tomorrow after she's finished, then we go back and do the rest. But yeah, we heading on the salon. I'll see you at the salon. So it's kind of packed in here today. At everybody, all the restaurants are filled. Just Brunch, Marlowe's. It's right about lunchtime, so all the restaurants are filled today. It's a Friday, so you know Friday is a packed day, pretty much. But yeah, let me get a parking real quick. Alright, so we got a parking. You know what I forgot? I forgot the charger for this thing. Anyhow, let's go inside, clean up real quick. Alright, so we back at the salon. We finished with our meeting. Just got finished with our meeting with our possible tenant. They're super interested. Hopefully they take it. We're pretty much heading on to the next stop now. I'm heading to that shop, to that auto shop, take a look at another welding job, and then I'm gonna come back and try and do that full finish paint thing on the wall for that other girl. So I'll be doing that tonight. I'll be working on that tonight. Hopefully we could just knock it out in one shot. I still have no idea how to do that thing. I'm just gonna watch YouTube and figure it out. So now it's now 12:47. Day has been going good. We're right on schedule. So we're gonna knock. It takes me about an hour to get down to that shop, so we won't be there until about 1:40 something. Let's say 2 o'clock. So let's hope we could knock out whatever they need to be done in an hour or 2 or the most, and then I could head back up here before traffic, because it's a Friday. If you get caught in this traffic on a Friday, it's a wrap. So I'm gonna head back real quick. Alright, so I'll see you guys later on the next stop. We're recording now, right? So let's see how I follow you. Go anyway. Is it?
Yeah.
So this
So if I don't left that for it to happen here now, you lock me down.
hold on.
So I'm just putting for this.
Hold on, let me show you what I go. So we have this. So we can test it and show you exactly what I go on. Right?
You're not gonna tell Toby because you hike right now.
No, I just use all the time. So it lock in on your face, so anywhere you go. 180 that way there, so I mean would I do it like this, like so.
Oh, you have a turn it.
No, see, so do it I don't know. Go all the way over there, so. And I you it to follow it, now follow me, because I lock on your face. Go back around the side. You see it? It's a follow you there. You go follow you going all the way
So
around.
and the thing right there, see?
Yeah,
And
let's see you, yeah.
No.
Come all the way around the side. You 180. Come all the way around the side.
No, so it's good for blogging in shop then.
There I tell you, go all the way around the side.
So it's good for me in shop.
Just follow you there. So you don't need nobody.
Right.
So if you
So
the
if I
right
sit
or so,
outside the truck,
and you
they're
see it
working
now
out.
follow me, because now follow my
I know, I understand, but if I
don't
don't support the idea right here now.
yeah.
So
Yeah,
pick
do
me up
something right
here.
there, so.
So if I want to get a close shot now, like supporting like what we do, I do the flares now.
Yeah. We can. Alright, so now go. This I just see everything right now. So let's say you just do right there, so
Right.
only, right? You turn off this, right?
You mean the gimbal
The
then?
gimbal, so it won't fall, and then we can zoom in. Hold on. See there?
Right.
You
So let's
understand?
put me on the quarter.
See?
Okay.
You can put, or you just move it
So
to where you
stand
want
right
it.
there, Jose. Let me see. Stand right there. Let me see.
Let me zoom back out.
I'll go right there. Go right there. Let me see. So go right. Okay.
Stand up right there.
Right.
See?
So
You can zoom in and out, or you can do the follow.
Yeah, I think the follow will work for me.
Yeah. So
Especially.
let's say more lock in for film face, right? Keep looking at it. Keep looking at it. The screen small,
Yeah, but yeah.
Hold on, I'm locking. So now it's locked in on his face, right?
Right.
So go over this side. See, it's following him.
Right.
It ain't following me. It ain't even following me. It's following him.
Yeah.
I locked in on his face.
My face.
Right. Right.
Yeah.
So even if I'm here videoing and he walks over there, he's gonna follow you.
Right. So you come out
Yeah.
left. Okay. So it's a good camera to have.
Yeah.
And then I just check with the SD card there then.
Yeah. Or just
Yeah.
plug it in here and plug it straight to your computer.
Okay.
And yeah. But this one good for like when you're moving around. See,
Yeah,
even
yeah.
me, it won't follow me because it's still.
Yeah, so I lock it. Yeah, yeah,
As soon
yeah,
as
yeah.
I
Yeah.
move,
Anywhere you go.
Right. The
it's
head
gonna
follow.
you. It's still following you.
They don't like in China. You know, the Chinese system is like this now, you know.
yeah,
They got on the street, you
Right,
take a lock
right,
you
right,
in,
right,
and
right,
everybody
right.
go and follow you.
yeah, yeah.
Right.
And you know, if you do something illegal, like say
Right.
like
Yeah.
jaywalking,
Yeah.
Right.
They charge you for that.
they charge you, but you know how they charge you? They hit your credit score.
Yeah.
Right.
That's how
They
China.
don't
That's how
charge
China be
you
doing it. now.
monetary.
Yeah.
Right.
They don't take money from you.
Yeah.
They hit your credit score.
Yeah.
Right.
And
So
then
I'm
it's
like,
just-
what? How that work?
See, it's still following him. It's still on him.
Right,
you see?
right.
So let's say you filming, I'm filming him working, right?
Right.
Like say Junior, me
Right.
can just do like this now and him doing his thing.
Yeah.
And me, yeah. See, it's still following him. Anywhere, I just stand up.
Holy
You see it? And
Right.
follow
And
him.
it clean
See,
too.
it go anywhere him, you see?
Yeah.
So
It clean too.
I don't have to be,
Yeah. So
Well, that's badass, man.
yeah. Anywhere he
That
go.
rough devil, son.
That's good for like this kind of work. Like,
Yeah.
yeah.
Where you get that from?
This DJI, so straight from the people who make
DJI?
Yeah,
Give
DJI.
me the website.
They make the drones and all
Oh,
of
okay,
them.
okay, okay.
But it clean too.
Yeah, and they picture real clean.
Yeah, or if you want to switch to myself, can switch to myself right here. So it comes to me.
Well, damn.
So it's locked onto you right now. So anywhere you go,
Yeah.
you see? Anywhere you go, I just hold it and it's gonna follow you.
Yeah, that would work good for me in shop too.
Yeah, that'd be real good because you move around a lot.
At that technology there right now.
So that
that's
means
the
I haven't got to keep editing like
Yeah.
normally I even go stop, start.
Yeah,
I can
no.
still stop and start with
You
this.
could still stop and start, but
Yeah.
yeah.
But you could do it. You could walk around the car and all.
Yeah, without
Follow me to
ain't nobody
zoom in on you and
filming him.
everything.
Yeah. This do it for you. Yeah. And you have a mic too. You have a mic. So you can start record with the mic. You see how you're a mic?
Right,
Yeah. So you can start and stop from the mic. So let's say you're working, right?
right.
You could start and stop record from here.
You just press it.
Yeah. And start and stop. Yeah. See? Start.
So I can
record.
just squeeze the mic now and stop it. So I need to
Yeah.
go walk back to the camera.
No. So when you have your mic, when you're working, you just press it and it stop record. The way
Okay.
you're doing, press it again, it start record.
Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Yeah,
Yeah, you need that. Do you know?
yeah. I can put it out there.
Yeah, you need to invest in that like ASAP, like that.
Yeah, right away.
Go home. Sit on the computer.
Yeah, that's exactly. Yeah, see? So see, start record now, right?
Yeah.
Record, see? Red.
Right.
And then you can stop record. It lock to my
But the
face.
gimbal is about 2 something.
Yeah.
The gimbal is about 2 something.
No, this setup expensive. I made tell you $700 for everything right here.
Okay.
Come with this, not this stand, but it come with an extra battery.
Right. But what
Come
I'm saying
with
is
this.
the gimbal is how much?
Oh, the other gimbal, yeah, that's cheaper, man. Them the cheap.
Oh, 2 something.
2 something or even less. 100 and something you can get them for.
Yeah, but I think you tell me where you buy yours is about 2 something.
It just depends on which one. You have a whole heap of different one.
But what I'm saying is still buying gimbal, you better buy the camera. Because you put another $400 buy the camera.
Yeah, but then this is just all in one. The gimbal big. It's a
Right.
big setup.
Right.
You know what I said? This nice and small. You can just walk when you're at the
Yeah.
car show. You know? So now
Yeah,
this.
and it clear too.
Yeah, this may have the mic on. So
So it come with one mic.
one mic, yeah. You can buy more mic, but it was one. And then we can start and stop it from here.
How long it take to get you? Like you take to get a couple days?
Yeah, me ordered Sunday or something like that. Got here by Thursday.
Okay.
Yeah, 3 day shipping. But see, it will follow me come all the way over here, so see?
Yeah,
It not go all the way. Oh, she go all the way around. Is it? 360.
360.
Yeah. Me did think of 180, but oh, it stopped right there, so see?
180.
Yeah, yeah. But yeah, once it pick up my face, so it's almost 360, cause look,
Yeah.
it go right back where it did stop. Well,
Yeah, right there.
almost, yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, that's,
Yeah.
you gonna send me a link. I can buy out, yeah?
Yeah. So that's what I say, set up like this, good for when you do. You just put it like right here. You know you work from here so to here,
Right.
so you put it right there, so, and it just follow.
Yeah,
It even follow when you, yeah, it follow when you're gone for a piece of tool to come back. You know what I say? Yeah, whatever you want put in there. Or if you just want to stay steady, you turn that off. You turn that off and then you just zoom in to where you want. You know? You can flip it around. Click this 3 times and it flip around. You know?
Right, right.
And then this are like hour and something. And then this one give you an extra 2 hours. So you have around 3.5 hours worth of
So
battery.
this is about our battery.
It's about an hour and something right there, and this about another 2 hours.
2 hours,
Yeah.
okay.
So
And
in
that's
total
about
you get 3 hours. 3.5 battery. Yeah.
Hello. Lo cliente.
Yeah.
Shut up, Tito.
Yeah. But I kinda like it, kinda neat. Me can
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
for me I vlog like this all the time. You know what I say?
Yeah.
You know, with the work on the
Right, right, right.
transmission right now. You know. Lock on for my face. So me not have to point me anyway there.
Yeah, right,
It a go
right,
follow
right,
me.
right, right.
Work done.
Video?
Work done. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, video you. Yeah, yeah,
Don't
video.
put you on. Don't put you
No,
on.
no, you video. Yeah, video.
Gonna put you on.
You gotta put on glasses.
Yeah.
Put on glasses. You gotta put glasses on.
Where's if I put on glasses?
You here?
We're heading up by the salon. I'm gonna try do that full finish thing. I'm gonna get that going, do a little test spot and see how it looks, how it comes out. So I'm heading back up there now. I'm about to head through the city. So where I'm at, I'm south of Atlanta, the city of Atlanta. So I'm heading back. Unfortunately on a Friday, even at 5:30, you do not want to drive through the city of Atlanta at this time. But I just got done not too long ago, and I'm heading back up to the salon. So hopefully the traffic is not too bad. It moves. I know it's gonna be delays, but hopefully it's not no standstill delay. So we heading up there. Yeah, it says standstill delay right there. It's like 51 minutes just to get to the salon. But I'm gonna join the line, head up. There's not much to vlog. I'll probably show more clips of when I'm downtown with this camera. I've been using my phone to video downtown, but we're gonna try videoing, getting some footage with this camera, with the Pocket 3, and see how it. We just joined the line. Let me flip the camera. So see, Atlanta traffic, pretty much that's what we're working with right there. Yeah, but we heading up. Let's I'm gonna cut this off right here, give you a little bit of clip when we're driving through the city, and then when I get up to salon, we'll do that little test paint when we get to the salon. All right. So I don't know what kind of color is that, but that Porsche, like a pink. It's darker than pink, but yeah. We got traffic, city of Atlanta. See what's going on right there. You could see the city, the horizon coming up of the city. We got our pink Porsche right there. It's a 718 Cayman. Yeah, but this is what we deal with. As I said the other day,
City of Atlanta, they say it has the worst traffic. Nah, this is the same amount of traffic I see in every state, major city state that I go. Alright, I see this in Chicago, I see it in Ohio, I see it in Tennessee, I see it in Virginia, I see this same thing right here. Once you're passing through that big city with all them high rise and stuff, you're gonna see this traffic right here. It just depends on what time of day you pass. You're gonna see this evening time and morning time. Morning time coming the other way, and then evening time going this way. So every city, they have, you know, everybody heading to work or leaving work. So you know, and then as I said, this is 75, so 75 is gonna be kind of busy no matter what time of day. You're gonna have people on there. The only time 75 I see it's empty is like late at night, 1, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock in the morning. Then there's no traffic, there's nobody here. But you know, as I said, this is what you see with every city. So anyone saying that there's more traffic in Atlanta is because they haven't been to the other cities, or maybe they're comparing it to their small city where it's not that much. But every major city, Dallas, Texas, Houston, Texas, it all looks like this. I've been through all of them more than once, more than twice. So it's just a thing where you have to deal with the city. If you live in and around the city, and you know, work in the city, you have to deal with that. Yeah, but other than that, we're excited. Today is an exciting day. It's Friday. It's a real exciting day for us, or for me, because I signed a lease to a restaurant space. So guys, I'm getting back into the restaurant space. It is gonna take some time, like a good 4 or 5 month build out, but I'm gonna pull it off. As with everything else, we're gonna pull it off. You know, that space is pretty much an empty space. It's what they call a white box. So it has AC, it has walls, it has electrical, but then we're gonna do a build out of the kitchen in that space. So the concept is pretty much, it's a quick fast food type of situation. It is in a gas station. It's not no dining or fine dining. It's just a quick takeout food delivery restaurant. It's gonna be geared about more ordering online or by phone or through the delivery platforms. That's what it's gonna be geared towards. It's a quick takeout restaurant. The area that it's in, I know tomorrow I'll go over there and get some footage, but the area that it's in, it's pretty much a corporate area on that street for 3 miles both ways, maybe 3-4 miles both ways, corporate. And the roads running parallel to that road, it's all residential. So we're looking to capitalize on the corporate during, you know, Monday to Friday, or Monday to Saturday, well, not Saturday, but Monday to Friday on the corporate in the days, and then in the nighttime we're capitalizing on delivery options from the residents that live in the area. So we're in a good location, very good location, major intersection, real busy intersection. So it's when it comes to location, pretty much we're in a gas station, a Circle K gas station. They did all the research, and that's why they put their gas station there in the first place. It's real busy. I've checked out that location a couple of times in terms of you know, I've been there for like an hour, 2 hours, just checking out the movements in and out, who's coming in, who's going out, the type of people, who's going there, you know, who's going to the gas station, you know, the visibility from the road. We did quite a bit of research when it comes to the location and stuff like that, the amount of people that passes by. So I think we're in I know we're in a very good location.
is just to get it going where we could pretty much get started. Oh, I think I'm in the wrong lane here, but yeah, you know, we're gonna be starting with the plans Monday. Architect, grease trap people. There's quite a bit of different contractors we're gonna have to be working with to get this whole build done. As I said, it's a lot. It's a lot of inspections. It's a lot of back and forth with the county, but we're gonna try and breeze through this as quick as possible, as easy as possible, without the headache. Yeah, so the first step is to get plans drawn. We spoke about the ideas already, and we know what equipment we're gonna put in there. So we know the layout. We know we have a design. It's just to get it on paper now, so we could turn those plans in for review to the county. Once we get that done, then, you know, we could start doing, you know, once we get approved, then we can start doing our build out. There's certain things there that doesn't need our plans, like the grease trap doesn't need our plans, and I believe the hood system for the fire suppression and the extraction of the fumes and stuff like that doesn't fall under our bill. So the contractors who are putting those up, they will deal with that part as far as permitting and all of that. Yeah, so, you know, as I said, it's an exciting day. I might not sound excited right now, but it's an exciting day. It's a new venture. We are pushing forward. We made the decision, signed the lease, going out on faith, and we know this one is going to work. Everything, you know, we've done so far has worked. It might not make us rich so far, but in the end it'll pay off. Just, you know, we're just gonna keep building and growing from here. Yeah, so most people would say they would keep it under quiet and this and that. Man, why would I keep it under quiet? It's a restaurant. I need people to know about it. I need, for when we open, maybe somebody's watching this video and watching the whole vlog when I'm building, and then come out and support at the grand opening. So you know, the other day when I decided to start vlogging live every day, it was a hard decision in terms of putting my life and what I do every day out there, as opposed to keeping silent. So at the end of the day, is either you're gonna vlog some fake stuff or vlog some content that doesn't really exist, or, you know, for me, I'm out every day doing all sorts of stuff. So that niche right there, or that content, is what I have. I can't be doing what I'm doing every day and go find fake content or find something else to vlog. This is what I have to vlog. So pretty much, you know, I'm gonna vlog this, you know, bottom line. That's it. This is what I have to offer. So, you know, we're gonna put out as much as what we can throughout the day, every day. As I said, whatever I do for the day, could be anything. Could be getting gas, could be getting a meal, could be going to the county, whatever it is. Whatever I do in the day, I'm gonna try and put it in our vlog. Most of it is gonna be talking. As I said, if you guys don't like my voice or hear what I'm saying, if I'm talking shit, just move to your favorite person who you like to listen. I'm quite sure there's people out there would, you know, want to hear me. We got lots of people out there, so, you know, hats off to the people who put up with my crap. Yeah, so this van is giving me some issues here. Yeah, so, you know, we're in the traffic, we're in the line. This is 20, highway 20R, State Road 20, yeah, above us. We're going underneath. We're on 75, 85 going north, and we just crossed under 20. I don't know if, I think it's Interstate 20 or State Road 20. I don't know. I've been living here so long, we just call it 20, pretty much. Yeah, so we're on the line. So let's see Piedmont right there. For those who live here know what's going on. See Edgewood Avenue, Auburn right there. You know, Freedom Parkway. We got Grady Hospital right here on the left. Oh, is that Grady or we passed it? I think we passed it. That's not Grady. Yeah. So, you know, the other day I saw this little viral thing going around on Instagram where the guys who was graffitiing this right here. Oh, hold on. I messed up. I pressed something that I shouldn't have pressed. Yeah, the guys who was do those graffitis up on that wall right there, they were pretty much the police was chasing them. I guess they got caught. Some young kids, they got caught. And on this side of the highway, right there, on that side of the highway, I saw on Instagram they were chasing the guys down the highway, trying to catch them. They looked like they were kids. It was like 3 of them. But yeah, you know, we here chilling, doing our little conversation vlog, you know, heading up to the salon. So you know, back to the whole restaurant thing. You know, we're gonna vlog some vlogs and get some content in for you guys. As I said, it's not a how-to. I won't be telling you how to do this, how to do that. Maybe if you see me doing something and you want to know how to do it, or you have a question, feel free to drop a comment. You know, I'll answer if I see it, and you know, I might not answer right away, but if I see it, you know, I'll definitely answer. If you live here, every county, every state is different, but in general the process is always the same. So you know, if you see me doing something and you need to ask a question, feel free to ask a question. I'll definitely answer it, you know, to the best of my ability. But yeah, we are gonna be pulling permits, doing all of that, getting contractors, doing all of that. So if you out there doing the same thing, and you know, you might see me doing something too and have an advice, you know, feel free to drop an advice. I'll take every advice I can. No one knows everything, so I'm open to any suggestions. I'm open to anything you see me doing wrong, or you know what I'm saying. I'm open to all of that. Yeah. Oh yeah, that was Grady. See, there's Grady right here. I mean, that's the hospital trauma center right there. Grady. Yeah. Yeah, and then you got part of the city over there. Midtown. See, that's the Westin right there, that round building in the middle of the screen right there, between those 2 buildings. That building has a restaurant on the top that turns. It rotates 360 degrees. So when you're sitting, let's say you're sitting down, when it turns, you get a different view of the city. You know, once it turns. So yeah, and then you got the Truist building over there, the Bank of America building right there with the peak. I don't know that twin looking building, what was that? I think it's people live in that building, I'm not sure. You got the Georgia State University over here, the campus right there. So Georgia State and Georgia Tech is built into the city of Atlanta. So there is no walls or anything. When you drive in the city, you actually drive through the campus. They have different buildings all over inside the city, inside that area right there. You can barely see it, but yeah, you could drive through the campus. Yeah, that's how it's set up. Georgia Tech up there is the same too. when you drive in through those minor roads, you're actually driving through the campus. Yeah. So it's like they built it inside the city, within the city, or throughout the city. I don't know. So yeah, we had a little, I guess it's an accident, something's going on right here, or breakdown probably. Have a little breakdown right there, so police making sure no one hits him. So the traffic frees up a little bit. Yay, we could drive a little bit, and then I know we're gonna end up in traffic again once we get up to our side. There's always traffic right here by 285 and 85. So see, on the other side of this oncoming traffic is blocked up there. But yeah, we're gonna drive through this little city right here. Well, a big city, Atlanta. City of Atlanta. I hope this footage is coming out good. As I said, I just bought this camera, so we're testing it out just to see how it works in terms of my glass might be dirty, the windshield might be dirty, so it might not be the best, but as I said, this is real-time footage we're giving you right here. So this right here, we're coming up these brown buildings, that's Georgia Tech. Those are the dorm rooms for Georgia Tech. So this road right here, we're driving over North Avenue. It pretty much drives right through. There's Varsity right there. Varsity, I missed it, but Varsity. There's the torch, the Olympic torch right there. Yeah. So Georgia Tech, we could pretty much drive through Georgia Tech. You drive through the campus. They built it in the city. Yeah, so we got a couple of new buildings going up. See, they're working on them. We passed through here already. See, this is all the networks right there. You know, TBS, TCM, DC. We got Wells Fargo. We're coming up on Atlantic Station to the left over here. Yeah, that's over there behind that Wells Fargo building. You got the Atlantic Station. Recommend you check it out if you're in town. Check out the Atlantic Station. Yeah. So see, that traffic right there was just due to that traffic buildup was just due to the gentleman who broke down in the middle of the road. So that's what caused that slow. But I'm quite sure we're gonna have more backup up here. You got the Marta train station over there. Oh, there's a train right here passing over that bridge. That's the Marta train station. Marta train runs east, west, north, south. It doesn't go too far. It just goes outside of the city, inside the city, and then a little bit past the city, and then it goes from west. It only goes up to, I don't remember exactly where it goes, but it goes up to Pyramid Mall and those places. It meets in the middle somewhere. It crosses. So our train station is like a big plus sign, pretty much. It doesn't go to another city or another state or anything like that. Not the Marta. It's just city transit. Over on this side right here, it's actually we're out of the city of Atlanta, but then over those high-rise building over there, that's the Buckhead. So if you ever hear anybody talk about Buckhead, that's the city of Buckhead over there. So it's like down here in Atlanta, we have two cities. We have the city of Buckhead, I guess it's the city of Buckhead or Buckhead over there. So
So it's all those high rises over there. That's a different city, but it's close to the city of Atlanta, real close. So when you're over there, it's like you're in the city of Atlanta, but it's called Buckhead. So it's like they have two cities. That's what I gather. You know, they're not joined. You actually have to leave one city and go over that city. So I guess some people might disagree, or some of the residents here might disagree, but that's what I gather from it. It's like you have two cities. See, it says Buckhead right there, that exit. So if you're going over there to those high rise, you take this highway right here. Yeah, you take this overpass exit right here. That takes you to Buckhead. So now I'm leaving the city of Atlanta right here, and we're heading up to Duluth, Sugarloaf area. That's where the salon is, pretty much. So right now I'm giving you a tour. I'm telling you where we are. I'm telling you where I'm located. I live outside of Atlanta in the Duluth area. That's where I live. You know, everywhere is pretty much reachable in and around Atlanta by car. Nowhere is more than an hour, pretty much. It's just the traffic makes it takes that long. So normally, if there is no traffic or little traffic, you could go in and around Atlanta in an hour. If you're coming down in the city from Duluth, it only take like probably 20 minutes, 30 minutes without traffic. But when you do have traffic, it takes a little bit more, 45 minutes. But if there is no traffic, 20 minutes and from the Duluth area to get down there, or anywhere around Atlanta, it only takes 20 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes to get to the city. But because the traffic, it makes it, you know, it takes more time than that. Yeah. So yeah. So you got the children's hospital over here. Is it? I think, yeah, this is part of it. They just built this part of it. I think that's what it is. We passed it maybe, but yeah. To the right was the children's hospital. To the left over here we have like floor and decor for all your flooring and tile and stuff like that for, you know, building houses. You got our outdoor store, REI, over there. Sell all outdoor and camping and hunting equipment, stuff like that. To the left. Oh, we got a Waffle House. Georgia is known for Waffle House, yo. I've seen them elsewhere, but Georgia has the most Waffle House. I think Waffle House was born here. That's why we see so much Waffle House. Damn. Waffle House and McDonald's on every corner. Hey, you can't miss. And Walmart. I know these places are everywhere in other states, but here, seeing more Waffle House and Walmarts and McDonald's every corner. Yeah. So yeah, we here. I was trying to tilt it. Don't mind me. I was just trying to tilt to see if the image is gonna tilt. Yeah. So yeah, we moving again. We're gonna get hold up somewhere up here. It's gonna the GPS is saying it's red up there, so let's see. I know right by 285 and 85 it's gonna get red again. So this little drive-by here, this little drive-by tour of the city, I did it in another video earlier, but as I said, this is what I'm doing every day. If I have to drive that road and I'm gonna feel like giving you some information or giving you a little tour of Atlanta, that's what I'm gonna do, because it's live every day. My channel is live every day. So if I'm doing this today, that's what you're gonna get. If I'm gonna do this, the same thing tomorrow, that's what you're gonna get. If I have to come down here tomorrow, you're gonna get it again, because it's live every day. So, you know, as I said, I'm just giving you what I do every day. I don't come to the city every day. There's times where I don't come to the city in weeks, maybe months. But then you have another time I'll be here 2 days in a row, maybe that's how it goes. My travels or routes, because I'm doing different things every day, I won't be driving the same road every day. It's always a different road. It's always a different place I'm going to. It's always, a different store, So I'll just vlog all these different little places I go to on different days. So far right now I've been posting consistently. It's now Friday, so Friday vlog tonight is gonna be 1 full week of vlog, more than a full week, because I started last Friday, so it's a full week, full 7 days pretty much worth of vlog. Look at that, that white thing from the truck is gonna fall. I don't think I caught it, but yeah, so it's a full 7 days. My first long vlog was last Friday when I started doing the I think it was the salon video or something like that. So it's a full 7 days worth of vlog I've put out since. So as I said, I'm gonna try and do this every day. I'll make some time while I'm driving. I'm gonna put all these footage out every night. If I miss a night, I'll just catch up the next day and post it the next morning or the next day, but I'm gonna try and do it every night, so the footage for the day is gonna be posted that night. Yeah, so see, we're coming up to some more traffic. The GPS got red. I hope we could keep moving and not just stand still, but said it's an 8-minute backup, so we have 23 minutes to go. We have 23 minutes to go to get to the salon, so I'm not gonna film for the next 23 minutes. We're already gone 28 minutes in footage. I'll probably cut this footage down. I'm talking too much. Yeah. So anyhow, I'm gonna cut it right here and then pick up when we get back to the salon. We still here picking up the rollers. It's 9:30 at night. I said this Faux finish. It's now 9:30. We are Home Depot, so the day still is going. Life every day. Alright, so we need some kind of a sponge. We need some kind of a sponge. Where is that sponge? We gonna do faux finish today. Faux finish. Both them want faux finish. People are being mad people here, man. Come with all sort of craziness. Both them want faux finish. Watch a $6 for sponge, yo. $6 for the sponge, yo. Crazy. Hell no, I'm not buy this for $6. Lemon pod all purpose. $14 for some piece of cloth. How I go on? That not right. I go get some regular liquor cloth. Regular white cloth. But I love to get some sponge though. I can't buy the sponge there. The sponge is too expensive, yo. And on a regular sponge. I'll go find some regular sponge. If that can't work. You know, freaking this messy than use. What do they? That messy than use. What do they? This
This method I use to do the Faux finish thing. Faux finish. No, no sponge. Need some sponge. No sponge. It's the ultimate shake test. Yeah. Enough paper down there, so. Drop cloth. Drop cloth. No rugs right there, so. Pocket. Should I get some of them and Peppaz cloth? $7 for this. How much for that one? $4. $4 for 6. Alright. Where else will the mother have sponge? Sponge. I left me did there a while ago. Never seen a sponge. The only sponge I see him $6 sponge then. That's it. Let's stand this one else. Look good, never too fast. Alright, so I'm talking a Jamaican a little bit. Try out a little bit of Jamaican, the Jamaican folks. Yeah, we're talking a patois. Fiberglass stuff. Then I just rollers. I'm gonna try them now. I'll gear the building up. Mina. Yeah. Hey, what's going on, man? These are the only kind of sponge you got in this area right here?
I have some
Have you seen?
YO43.
I ain't going all the way down. Alright, well, take it easy. Yeah, alright, so let's check out real quick. Item come to $25. Alright, so we heading out, going to the salon. Leaving the Home Depot. See?